Alright. Alright, but I'm warning you. It's not very pleasant out there. You ready? Well, that's no fun, is it? See, that's supposed to be my sidewalk. Uh-oh. Then it gets deeper. What happened? Hello. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Probably going to be a slow day.
He's on his way out.
Where's that?
At work.
Yeah, I thought things would be blowing by now.
What? So,
Hi, little dog. Good luck getting rid of that. Fluffy.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Oh.